Hey guys, welcome back. Today we will see 3 ways to uninstall apps and programs on Windows 11. That is, to remove them from our device. Maybe you want to save some space or you have a program that's causing problems. Stay with us till the end and we'll show you how to free up some disk space. First, what we need to do is just left click on the Start button. And what we want to tell you is that you can just right click on a program that you see in Start and then left click on Uninstall. And this will immediately remove it from your computer. Left click on Uninstall again. And as we can see, the app is now gone. You can also left click on all apps over here and just scroll down and remove any app that you don't like by right clicking on it and selecting on install with the left click. Another way to do this, which shows you the programs that you have installed on your computer, is by left clicking in search and typing in control panel, and then left clicking on the control panel app that appears under best match, and then look for programs and uninstall a program. Left click on uninstall a program. This will open a list of the programs that you have installed on your computer. We're going to demonstrate by uninstalling a program called TeamViewer. Right click on it and just left click on uninstall, or just left click on uninstall over here at the top. If the user account control asks for permission, select yes. Now the uninstaller depends on the program itself. It's different on a case-by-case basis. We're going to left click on remove settings and then left click on uninstall. It takes a while depending on the size of the program. As we can see, Microsoft Edge is trying to open a link. We're going to press escape on our keyboard to cancel that. And now we see that it is completed. So we're going to left click on close over here. And that's it. TeamViewer is now out of our device. Another way to go about this is by right clicking on the Start button and left clicking on installed apps. Or just left clicking in search and typing in installed apps. And left clicking on the icon that appears here under best match. This looks similar to the control panel option to remove a program, but it gives you more. Basically, it also shows you apps from the Microsoft Store. Windows 11 makes this distinction between programs and apps. So for example, we're going to look for Skype, and to uninstall it, we just need to go to the extreme right and left click on the 3 arrows. And then left click on uninstall. It asks again, if you are sure, left click on uninstall again, and the app will be removed. As we promised guys, an easy way to free up disk space is by opening this PC with a double left click, and then going to your C drive, and then on the Windows folder, and then just press the letter T as test on your keyboard and look for temp, and then double left click, and basically everything you find in here guys is pretty much temporary and can be removed. So you could just press the Control and A key on your keyboard at the same time to select them all, and then just press Shift and Delete on your keyboard, and then it asks you if you are sure you want to permanently delete these items. Left click on yes, and this will free up a lot of disk space. In our case, it was 1.9 gigabytes. Some items might not be able to be deleted because they are in use. You can just left click on skip and check this box to do it for all the items. Left click on skip, and that's it guys. As you can see, some of them are left, but we still freed up a lot of disk space. Okay guys, that's it. Thank you for watching our video. Subscribe for future tips.